Jai Hind students. MySQL Revision Tool 1 we have completed in all the 6 sessions of ours, and I hope you all must explore, seen, learn, and must try to get the ideas about the first chapter. Now today I am going to discuss about some of the queries that you may have in your mind. Now after the completion of the first chapter, as I can see in your book, we have a multiple choice questions that in future you will get once you get the book, but answers are there, so there is no need to discuss about it. Fill in the blanks is also, the answers are there in the books. True and false questions are also there, again answered at the last of this book. Solve problems, there is no problem. And now come to the exercise unsolved, where the first question is, how are SQL command classified? So answer obvious, we came to know during the session. Is SQL command classified in the 3 different categories, either DDL, DML and TCL. You may write also the SQL commands classified in 2 different categories, DDL and DML, where DDL is data reference language and DML is data manipulation language, and we know what is DDL, we know what is DML. Examples of DDL, you can give the create or alter or drop command, and in case of DML we have insert, update, delete and select. Second question is set with difference between DDL and DML. So you can see DDL is a command which helps us to define something in the database, and DML is a command which helps us to manipulate the data in the database. What is the use of update statement in SQL? That's the third question of the book, and update command is used to update the data in a table. How it is different from alter command? Alter statement is alter the structure of the database, and update command update the data. So there are a lot of differences between update and alter. Update command will only use whenever we want to modify the data that is present in our table, and alter will only use whenever we want some alteration in our database or table. That's why both are different. After that we have some questions based on the table gene, and one question is that Mr. Sankar created a table called Beckel with 3 rows and 4 columns. He added 1 more rows and it deleted 1 column. What is the quality and degree of the table Beckel? As you all know, degrees are the total number of columns, and in this first he had the 4 columns and then he deleted 1 column. So degree is a 3 only. And there were 3 rows and he added 1 more rows, there is a 4. It means 4 and 3, that is what the quality. Degree is only 3 because column is only 3 left. Now consider the following table named Gene with the details about the fitness items being sold in the store. Write command SQL first to 4. Table is there in your book, and first command is asking to display the names of all the items whose name start with A. We already learned the like operator. So for this we will like to select a star from table name, that is Gene, where item means I name and start with A. So I name like, I name space like single quotes A percentage will solve this query. Now to display the I code and the I name of all the items whose brand name is Reliable or Costco. So in this case you can say select I code comma I name from table name, that is Jim, where item brand name equal to Reliable in single quotes or brand name equal to Costco, C-O-S-C-O-R-E in the single quotation. Question number 3, to change the brand name to fit trend India of the item whose I code at G101. For this questions you have to say update gene, set I code, set brand name equal to single quotes में fit trend India quotes close, where I code equal to single quotes में G101 will give you the solution of this. Now question number 4, add a new row in for a new item in Gym with the detail list. For this you will use the insert command, as you all know, insert into table name, that is Gym, then the values, and under bracket you have to pass the values separated by comma, values there you can easily do. And likewise we have question 4A and B, where we have a set of query. I don't think there will be a problem, but if it is, let's see. First question is to display the name of all the product with price more than 20,000. For this you have to write select a star from products where price greater than greater than symbol, mathematical symbol you can use, and 20,000. To display the names of all product by the manufacturer A, O and E, it's called select a star from product where manufacturer equal to A, O and E. To change the price data of all the product by applying 25% discount reductions, it means you are reducing the prices. So you can say update product set price equal to price minus price star 25 by 100. That's all, because it's for all product, and to add a new rows, insert into table name. And the last fifth question is write simple command for the following on the basis of given table club. Table club is already there in the book. To show all the information about the swimming coaches in the club, you simply say select a star from. It's a swimming coaches minded. It means you must have a sports swimming. Select a star from club where sports equal to swimming in single quotes. To list the names of all the coaches with their dates of appointment in descending order, you have to simply say select a star from club order by date of appointment in DESC. To display the, simply you have to say DESC after the order by clause, not in. To display the report showing the coach name, pay, age and bonus 50% of the pay for all the records. So simply you can say select pay, age, bonus, that is the 50% bonus. You may say as 50% of the pay, or simply you can say select pay, age, bonus star 15 by 100 from table name club. We'll solve this question. Now some questions are based on the next question, student 1 table. Select all the non-medical stream student from the student 1, non-medical. So simply you say select a star from student 1 where stream equal to non-medical word is there. So simply you can say single quotes non-medical. These are the names of those students who are in the class 12 sorted by stipend. It means select a star from table name. Then you have a order by stipend is a field name where class equal to 12. List all the students sorted by the average marks in descending order. You can say simply select a star from table name, that is student 1, order by average marks DESC. What is the foreign key? 7 number question. How do you define a foreign key in your table? So foreign key is a non-primary key in a table linked with a primary key of the table, as you all know. And how do you define a foreign key in your table? You can define the foreign key either at the moment of creation of the table or later by the alter command. So if you are defining at the moment of the creation of the table, simply define all the field and put the comma, go to the after last field and write the foreign key under bracket field name, bracket close, references, space, primary table name under bracket field name whose foreign key it will be. And if you want to use the alter key, then you can use the alter table name. Add constant name, space, foreign space, key under bracket field name, bracket close, references, space, primary table name under bracket field name. How is the foreign key command different from the primary key command? Foreign key only help us to create a reference and integrity in the table. Primary key command help us to create a unique key which never allow you the null value or duplicate value in that field. It help us to uniquely identify the data. How is the foreign key command related to the primary key? If this question answer you can say, if there is no primary key, there is no chances of the foreign key. So foreign key is completely based on the primary key. Primary key is a main, and on the basis of the primary key you can make a relations as a foreign key. So without primary key, foreign key cannot be created. What a table constraint are the restrictions that we impose on a table, like a default constraint, like a check constraint, like a primary key constraint, like a total constraint, like a unique constraint. What is the column constraint? Now table constraint are the constraint that you apply on a whole table. and column constraint are the constraint that you apply on a particular column of a table. How are these two different? Column constraint only restrict the user to enter the right data in that column, and table constraint is applicable in entire table. Insert all those records of the table account into the table pending where this is more than this. This is a simple insert command you can do. Increase salary of the employee's record by 10%. You can simply increase. You say update employee set salary equal to salary plus salary start and value rate. Now question number 13, add a constraint in the table employee given below Salman to declare the column grade not null. So simply you can add a constraint in the table. So alter table name. Then you can say add constraint name. Then you have to mention which field you want the constraint and then not null. Drop the table employee, simply say drop table name. Differentiate between drop and drop database, drop table and drop database. Drop table, simply drop the table from the database, and drop database will completely delete the database permanently from your computer. Drop table, drop clause of alter table. Now drop table and drop clause. Now drop table command will simply again delete the table from the database. Drop clause of alter table command is used to drop a column also. Only simply you can say column because you cannot again allow you to drop the table there. So you have to say alter table name and drop column name, and simply drop item, means item column will be deleted. Question number 16, Mr. Mittal using a table with the following this, he needs to display the names of the students who have not been assigned any stream or have been assigned a stream name that ends with the computers. In this case, you simply say select a star from table name, whatever it is, where a string is null. A string is null or a string name equal to computer in single quotes. There's 17, 18, 19 questions. You can try. If there will be any difficulties, you can let me know. And before the next sessions, I'll finish. Before starting the chapter 13, that is more on SQL command, I'll finish the 17, 18, 19 question also. Thank you all.